Every year, operating costs go up, fuel price change, labor becomes more expensive, maintenance costs increase. But there's one operational expense that quietly grows in the background, and most fleet operators never realize how much this is actually costing them. Let's uncover it together. For most transport companies, rising operating costs seem inevitable. Inflation, labor shortage, fuel price, and maintenance expense are all easy to see because they appear clearly in financial reports. But some of the most expensive operational losses never appear as a single line on an info. Instead, they are hidden inside in the vessels' daily process. One of those processes is vehicle washing, not because washing itself is expensive, but because everything surrounding it often is. That's why successful fleet operators don't just focus on reducing costs, they focus on eliminating waste. The first recommendation is simple. Start measuring time instead of only measuring money. How long does each vehicle spend waiting before it can be cleaned? How many employees are involved in the process? How often do delays affect the next day of depot operation? These numbers often reveal opportunity the financial report never show. Second, standardize your workflow. Everybody should move through the same process, regardless of who is working that day. A repeatable workflow reduces unnecessary delay, improve planning, and create more predictable daily operation. Third, think beyond today's fleet size. Many people build their washing process for current demand but struggle when their fleet expands. A scalable system allows the operation to grow without creating new bottlenecks every time more vehicles are added. 4. Reduce operational interruption, equipment downtime, inconsistent cleaning quality, or manual coordination between different teams can greatly increase cost over time. Reliable systems help managers focus on running the business instead of constantly solving small operational problems. Finally, evaluate investment based on long-term value rather than initial purchase price. The cheapest solution often becomes the most expensive when maintenance, labor, inconsistent performance, and operational delay are considered over several years. Leading transport companies understand this difference, which is why they calculate total operational impact, not just equipment costs. At Go&Go, we believe controlling operating costs is not about cutting corners. It's about creating smarter processes that deliver consistent performance every single day. An automatic management system is not simply a cleaning machine. It is part of a larger operational strategy designed to improve efficiency, support business growth, and help transport companies remain competitive in an increasingly demanding market. The companies that succeed over the next decade won't necessarily be the ones spending less. They will be the ones spending smarter. Is your depot prepared for the next 5 years of fleet growth? Contact Go&Go today and let us help you evaluate whether your current washing process is supporting your business or quietly increasing your operating costs.